Alright, I'm about to do this challenge where you go up to a fast food place and you just order what the person in front of you had. Some people do it for like 24 hours. I ain't doing that. I'll do it this one time. I'm gonna call it. It's called like a 24-hour challenge, something like that. But I'm gonna call it the I'll have what he's having, or what they're having challenge. All right, here we go.
St. Cheese American, my name's Liza. What can I get for you?
Hey, morning. I have what they're having.
So you want a kid's meal?
Yep.
Okay.
And that'll be all. And 2 orange juices, please.
2 orange juices?
Yep.
Alright. And you want the cinnamonies?
Yes.
6:30. Hold on. 5:41 second window. Thank you.
All right, thanks. All right, that was pretty easy. All right. Oh shoot, you sick too?
I've been sick. It's just a cough though, like, I don't feel bad. I guess I can't complain too much.
Yeah, thanks.
2 orange juice?
Yeah. Thanks.
Thank you, Mercury.
3 hours later.
Okay, 1 second, I'll be over. There you go.
Thanks, Lars.
Have a good day.
You too. All right. Well, that only took 8 years. Sheesh. All right. But yeah, that's the challenge, man. Just order what the person in front of you gets. I add on some orange juice because I'm sick. I need some orange juice. But yeah, there you go. The I'll have what they're having challenge.